Don't forget NextStone's easy-to-install post covers and column wraps for the most eye-catching build possible. They will give your project a finished custom look, even if you haven't installed NextStone siding. We have one-piece and two-piece post covers, as well as larger column wraps in all our Slatestone and Country Ledgestone colors. The Slatestone one-piece post covers drop over a standard 4x4-inch or 6x6-inch post, while the two-piece is designed for installation around an existing column where a drop over is not possible. The easy-to-install converter ring sets make for a perfect fit over a standard 4x4 post. SlateStone Post Covers are 8x8 inches and 41 inches tall. Country Ledgestone Post Covers fit around true 4x4 or 6x6 posts and are 47 inches tall. Our larger column wraps come in 4 pieces with outside dimensions of 16 by 16 inches and 30 inches in height. All post covers and column wraps can be cut to size or stacked. Use our lightweight stone caps to top off your beautiful columns and posts. Matching under cap lighting accessories provide a charming accent to the stone posts at night and are available for both sizes of caps, as well as for deck railings and lighting stairs. We also have the power transformers and connectors for simple plug-and-play installation. Visit nextstone.com for instructional videos for all your NextStone installations, and of course, our knowledgeable staff is always there to help. Or simply call 303-371-8232.